Most AI tools can generate a nice-looking image, but building a real brand takes much more than that. You need a logo, a visual identity, product packaging, social media content, advertisements, marketing materials, and eventually, video. But the real challenge is making everything look like it belongs to the same brand. So today, I'm testing whether Lovart can take one business idea and turn it into an entire branded campaign. If you're building a new business, creative work can get expensive very quickly. You might need a designer for the logo, someone else for social media, another person for packaging, and another editor for promotional videos. So instead of testing Lovart on a single image, I wanted to give it a much bigger challenge. Today, I'm creating a completely new pet technology brand from scratch. The concept is a smart GPS and activity tracker for dogs, and I'm going to take it from the initial brand identity all the way to a finished marketing campaign and promotional video. Let's see how far one AI design workflow can actually take us. I'm starting with a completely blank project. No logo, no established colors, no typography. So instead of asking Lovart to generate the entire campaign immediately, I'm starting with the branding itself. I'll open Skill function and select logo and branding. Now I'll give Lovart the basic business concept. Create a premium modern pet technology brand called Paw Pilot for a smart GPS and activity tracker for dogs. The brand should feel trustworthy, intelligent, modern, friendly, and premium. Create a distinctive logo and visual identity suitable for a technology product. Instead of starting with random marketing graphics, I'm establishing the visual foundation first. This gives us the logo and the core direction that everything else will build from. Generate a modern, premium, highly readable typography system for a pet technology brand. It should feel technological and sophisticated while remaining approachable and friendly. Generate typography options. Show several font combinations. Select the strongest option. Next, I need typography that actually fits the brand. I'm using Lovart's font generator to develop a type system instead of manually guessing which fonts work together. I'll compare the options and select the combination that best fits the product. Now we have another important part of the visual identity locked in. Now I'm bringing the core brand elements together: the logo, the colors, the typography, and the supporting visual direction. At this point, we have an actual brand foundation instead of simply a collection of unrelated AI images. Before creating the campaign, I'm exporting the brand assets we just created. This is important because the next step is going to use these assets as the foundation for the entire campaign. So now we have the actual logo, colors, typography, and supporting brand elements ready to use. Now I'm going to establish the brand kit. I'll upload the logo, colors, typography, and other exported brand assets here. This is the point where the brand identity becomes a reusable foundation for the campaign. Instead of relying only on instructions inside individual prompts, Lovart now has the actual brand assets available when generating new designs. Now we get to the part I really wanted to test. Instead of generating each campaign asset individually, I'm going to use agent batch generation. The brand kit is already established, so now I can ask Lovart to create multiple campaign assets using the same brand foundation. And this is where the workflow gets interesting. Instead of creating one design, agent batch generation is producing an entire set of campaign assets in one go. Poster, social post, story, website banner, mobile ad, product graphics, and more. The important part is that these are campaign pieces built around the brand we established earlier. Now I can quickly review the batch and pick the strongest campaign pieces. The brand kit is carrying the core visual identity across the different assets, so I can move straight into refining and expanding the campaign. But generating the campaign is only half the job. Real marketing designs need changes. So I'm going to test touch edit/editable layers. I can select the specific headline I want to change and edit it directly. No need to regenerate the entire design. Now I'll change the accent color. And I can also select an individual element and adjust it. That means I can make targeted changes while keeping the rest of the design intact. I can also create additional campaign variations directly from the established setup. I'll generate these 4 pieces and quickly review the results. Here's the practical output: packaging, advertising, social media, website graphics, promotional materials, and product-focused visuals. These are the assets I can actually use to support the launch. The infinite canvas keeps the workflow visible in one place, from the original branding through the campaign and edits. I can move directly from the finished assets into the final video step. Using Seedance 2.5 inside Lovart, I'm turning this hero campaign visual into a cinematic promotional video. So the same campaign that started with static branding can now become a video asset for social media and digital advertising. Here's the finished campaign for Paw Pilot. We started with the brand foundation, built the campaign assets, refined individual elements, and then turned the hero visual into a promotional video with Seedance 2.5 inside Lovart. Now let's take one final look at the complete result. What stood out to me most is how the workflow moves from the initial brand identity to a complete set of marketing materials, with the final campaign visual becoming a cinematic video through Seedance 2.5. The important part is that the workflow stays connected from start to finish. If you're a founder, an e-commerce seller, a local business owner, or a creator building a new brand, Lovart is definitely worth exploring. You can go from the initial brand identity to campaign assets, editable designs, and promotional video inside one creative workflow. Plans start at $19 per month. If you want to learn more, check out at Lovart_AI and see what you can build for your own business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.